Okay. Once you go to the form design, in the formatter, you will see something called process flow. Okay, na? You will see something called process flow. If you are directly, right, without creating the formatter, do remember, flow formatter, without creating flow formatter, at least one on the respective table, you will not see this in the formatters. Okay, na? Means what I'm trying to tell you is in respective table. So what form design I did open it now? What table related form design?
Incident
Incident only, na?
two.
Instant.
Okay, in the incident, at least one flow formatter should be there. Is that created? One I did create one flow formatter. Is that correct? I created one flow formatter. Na? Now I'll go to my bus booking. Do you think it will be there? I will go to bus booking form. Okay, and I will go to
No, it will not there.
configure form design. Let's see. It should not be there. Do you see formatters? No, na? As like incident here. Why it is not there? The reason behind you are not having at least one flow formatter for this table. Fine. Now I will be adding the process flow in the top where I should see on the top only. Na? The process flow where I should see on the down or where? Starting only. Na? In the top of the form. Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yeah,
So
correct.
then add new section. Okay. And new section should be moving to up starting here. And here make it one column only. Now you can drag and drop the process flow. That's it. Now save it. Okay, in the starting, I am keeping the new section. Means here only on the number channel field above only I wanted to be see this whatever I did create it new. That is the reason I created one section. Here I have added the process flow. Fine. So now go to your incident, refresh it. Is that taken? One process is that showing you for you? One. New is taken. Now, how many values are there in the state? How many values are there in the state? In
6.
progress, on hold, resort, closed, cancel. For those many formatters, you need to create it. Fine. Now, I'll be changing it to in progress. Means this record is already saved it. If not, from starting also I can write. Don't worry. So formatters, go to the formatters and do it. Where I did go? Here. చెప్పండి ఫిల్టర్ నావిగేటర్ లో ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాను వేర్ ఐ డిడ్ గో
System UI.
సిస్టమ్ యూఐ లో వాట్
Process flow.
others what happened buddy are you aligning with the sessions okay so for your reference to not make you confusion taken the duplicate page and creating new one this time what is the process flow on the incident only in progress correct what I need to take up the table wait incident okay take up the incident and here in progress so this and this you should give it it's not like column while you are creating the column it generates don't think about it okay next what is next I need to give the condition state where I can map it state is in progress fine now save it so likewise how many records you need to create it choices, how
60,
many are there? Those many times. Okay, now
6.
you can create it. Actually, you can click on insert a new, insert a new. Maybe it will confuse you. That is the reason I'm creating from scratch. I'll create 3 only. Rest you can try from your end. Incident. Okay, this time uh, I'll keep it for resolve. Okay, resolve, and state aligning with result. Now save it. So go to your form, refresh it. So do you see how the order is, by the way? What first is showing, what second is showing? What is our order actually? What
It
should
is
be our order?
reversed.
New in
New
progress.
should be
New in
first.
progress.
First.
In progress should be second, for example.
Yes.
Third should be resolved. So while you are creating, did you observe one of the field is there? Did you observe one field? Order. This. Did you observe? Here you need to give it. So first time you did give, na, you can go to the list of formatters, flow formatters, and here resolved third place or second place. What place it is? New will be first. So order I will be giving as 100 or 1. Okay, and for better, best practices, I am keeping as 100. Next, what you wanted to be keep it? In progress. At the last, 300. So sequence, I am arranging it. Now, if you go to your incident and refresh it, it will be in the sequences. Fine. So it will be changed. One now, what is highlighted? New is highlighted. The process flow. Why it is new highlighted? Because the state in the new. Okay. Now, if I save it to, if I change the state value to the in progress, this should be highlighted. That is what the expectation. Yes, no? Expectation ade kada.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll be changing it to in progress and save it. Fine. Is that highlighted in progress? So this is how you will be creating the process flow and flow formatter. Fine, ma? Can you able to do it from your end for the rest on our application? Can you do it? Accordingly, why we mapped it here? Where we did mapped it in the condition, correct? In the condition we mapped it. Fine. Any questions around on this part? Others? Anyone? Feel free to talk, buddy. Don't be dumb.
No, sir.
Okay. So, very good. We'll get started with, okay. So what is the time? Okay, just 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay. Now we are going to be learn. We are till now whatever we did learn, most of the things you can consider as administrative topic, means admin topic. Because, sir, why are you saying it is admin? Admin is this much, difficult because few this we had seen it. Now this is difficult for me. For example, that you are feeling like, and next, few things we did see the difficultness, but don't think if you get practice, it will be very, very, very simple. Because you never written your the scripting here. That is the reason I'm not telling you you are the developer. Now from now, whatever you are going to be learn, that can be comes under that comes under usually development part. From now, at least post session or next day, at least 1 hour practice is needed. If you don't do it, you are killing yourself.